Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my presentation. My name is Dafu Dono and my last NPM number is 077. Today, I'm going to talk about an important grammar topic in English, the present perfect continuous tense. And in this session, I will explain what it is, how we use it, and show some examples to help you understand it better. And I will explain this material to make it more interesting, and I will use Canva as my teaching tool. Okay, the first is, what is present perfect continuous tense? The present perfect continuous tense is used to show that an action started in the past and is still continue until now, or was happening recently and has a result in the present. Yeah, what is it used for? Yeah, the present perfect continuous tense used to show the duration of an action that started in the past and continues now. The second, emphasize the result or effect of a recent activity, and to talk about temporary actions that are not finished yet. Yeah, this tense is useful when we want to focus on how long something has been happening, or when we want to explain something that just finished but still has an effect now. Yeah. For the uh, another material, let's see this video. The first material is the formula for present perfect continuous tense. The formula, the positive is subject plus has or have been verb ing. Yeah. The example is, she has been reading. Yeah. If we use have been, we use a subject with I, you, they, we. Yeah, like the example is, I have been swimming. Okay, the negative, we add not in the sentence. Yeah, like the formula is subject plus has or have plus not been plus verb ing. Yeah, the example is, they have not been studying. Okay, and the interrogative, the formula is has or have plus subject plus been plus verb ing. And the example, have you been working? Okay, the next is, ya, the function. Ya, ini digunakan untuk yang menyatakan aktivitas, ya, dimulai dari masa lalu yang masih berlangsung hingga sekarang itu. And they, ya, like example, I have been waiting for you since 8 am. Or the second, untuk memberikan penekanan pada durasi suatu aktivitas. The example is, she has been studying for 3 hours. And 3 time expressions, ya. Jadi durasi for 2 hours, for a week, or since, detik waktu lah, like since Monday, since 2020, lately, recently. Yeah. Okay, next is practice activity, communicative task. Yeah. Activity, pair interview. Yeah. Like example, to all students, like, what have you been watching on TV? How long have you been learning English? Or have you been playing any games recently? Yeah. Next is warm up and reflection. Yeah. So the present perfect continuous tense is used to talk about actions that start in the past and are still happening, or just stop recently, and we often use it with for and since. Okay, let me try the question. Number 1, she blah 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 study English for 2 hours. Okay, there is the answer is, she has been studying English for 2 hours. Okay, the second question is, blah blah blah, you blah 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 work out lately. Okay, the answer is have you been working hour lately? Okay, yeah, that's all the material about present perfect continuous tense. Yeah, hopefully all of you can understand about this material. Thank you. This is from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.